I'm just gonna show you a little montage of me getting ready. I just woke up right now. It is like 8:50. I woke up at 7 in the morning to eat, get my son some breakfast. I'm just about to get in here and take a shower, wash my body. I'm super tired. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stick with me to the end.
I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me.
So as of right now, guys, I've just been washing up and I've been showing you guys a montage how I just prepared to get ready for school the next day. For right now, I have, here it is, an Aztec clay mask. This is the mask I'm going to use to put on my face. As you see, I already started using the mask on my face. I have a little bowl of it that I made right here. This is just $10 at your local Walmart. And all I did was put some of the clay mask in here, a couple scoops, and I used some apple cider vinegar. And now I'm just gonna really just apply the mask on my face. I really don't want to get too messy doing this. And I'm using a spoon because I don't have like a little brush to apply the mask. I know how the YouTubers do it and they be looking cute when they use a little brush, but I don't have that, so this is looking okay. Alright, so I'm going to get back to you guys after I'm done applying this mask onto my face.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me.
So as you can see, I have the mask applied to my face. This is my first time doing it, so I'm not really used to how my face is feeling, but I feel like my face is tightening up right now and it's really tight. The mask is kind of cracking. If I could get closer to show you guys, like right here. The mask is kind of cracking on my face. But after just 15 minutes of having this on, I'm gonna wash it off. So I did move my location to down on the floor, so I know I kind of look sideways right now, but it was really hard for me to try to set up my camera. Why my face looks so fat? It was really hard for me to try to set my camera up and try to do my hair. So for right now, I'm going to insert a picture. I have my mirror up. I'm able to look at right here and just try to split my hair down the middle to make sure everything is straight and my part is looking good. So for right now, I'm going to keep you guys down here. And I'm just basically going to try to do my hair on the floor because, I don't know, I just felt comfortable doing my hair on the floor. And I used to do it all the time when I was a kid. So it just feels right to me. It just feels normal. It feels like I'm back home, like in my old room when I was a teenager. Hope you guys enjoy. Tell me how you guys been in the comments. Like, I asked for my subscribers to talk to me, and I feel like nobody ever just like says talk to me in the comments. So.
down, in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. But I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body. Feel that you do know, but never fall out of love with you.
Y'all already know the drill. I can never do my edges, so this is how we gonna leave them for right now. I know they look weird, but it's cool. I'm just gonna leave them like this. I'm gonna just do my hair. I hate the way it looks, but it's okay. I'll just leave it. Why don't people do that with braids? They just be like choking.
You must be